of Bolton Against Bedroom Tax Group. My name is Chris Tavner. I'm a member of the GMB Union. I'm not personally affected by the bedroom tax, but I am personally offended by the bedroom tax. And we must all stand united against this Tory attack. It's an attack on all of us. And one of the things that we say in this campaign is that if you stand by me, I'll stand by you. Neighbours, everyone who's affected, we will not see anybody getting kicked out of their homes in Bolton. We will stand united. There are not enough bailiffs in the whole of Greater Manchester to kick out people on the streets. We will stand united and defend our homes. The first speaker, so we're just going to have a few speakers before we have the demonstration. Obviously we've been here a little while already. Is I'm going to introduce you to Mark Grant, who is from the Greater Manchester Federation Against the Bedroom Tax, the federation which we in the Bolton Group are part of. Mark.